Hey everybody, it's your boy Savage Stoic back at it again. Life can be a real kick in the teeth sometimes, right? Feeling stressed, overwhelmed, like you're constantly fighting an uphill battle? Listen, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's an ancient philosophy that can help you navigate the chaos and actually unlock a life of fulfillment and meaning? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the power of Stoicism. Forget everything you think you know about boring old philosophers. These guys were rock stars of resilience, living in crazy times and dropping wisdom bombs that still resonate today. They cracked the code on mastering emotions, embracing change, and building unshakable inner strength. So, what are we waiting for? Let's smash through those 12 Stoic lessons like a gladiator through a paper wall. Number 1, accept what you can't control. Stop banging your head against the brick wall, my friends. Focus on what you can actually change and watch the stress melt away. Number 2, shift your perspective. It's not what happens to you, it's how you choose to see it. Put on your positive thinking shades and watch your world transform. Number 3, live in the now. Past regrets and future worries are just distractions. Savor the present moment, because that's all you've got, baby. Number 4, be your own hero. Self-discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Prioritize your values and watch your inner badass emerge. Number 5, embrace the change. Life is a constant flow, so don't get stuck in the shallows. See challenges as opportunities to grow and evolve. Number 6, ditch the materialism. Happiness isn't found in fancy gadgets or designer clothes. True joy comes from within, my friends. Number 7, master your emotions. Don't let your feelings control you. Understand them, manage them, and become the captain of your own ship. Number 8, take responsibility. You are the author of your life story. Own your choices, learn from your mistakes, and rewrite the narrative if needed. Number 9, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power, people. Fill your mind with good stuff and watch your life transform. Number 10, forgive and forget. Holding on to grudges only hurts you. Let go of the negativity and find peace. Number 11, bounce back like a boss. Life throws punches, but you can learn from them and come back stronger. Cultivate resilience and face challenges with your head held high. Number 12, be grateful. Stop focusing on what you lack and appreciate the abundance you already have. Gratitude is the secret source to happiness. These are just a taste of the Stoic wisdom waiting to be unlocked. If you're ready to ditch the stress, build inner strength, and create a life you truly love, then smash that subscribe button and hit the link in the description below. I'm sharing my guide to building an online empire and achieving financial freedom. Remember, you have the power to change your life. So let's do this together.